I tested both Xiaomi G20 and G20 Lite vacuums for months. Here's the real comparison that'll save you money. Watch this chart because every point matters. First up, power. G20 crushes with 25,000 pascals. G20 Lite has 18,000. Sounds big, but here's the truth. For carpets and pet hair, the G20 wins. And for hardwood floors, the Lite handles it perfectly. Battery claims versus reality. They promise 60 to 65 minutes, but with normal use, G20 gives 35 minutes, Lite gives 32. Basically identical in real life. The Lite is noticeably lighter. Your arms will feel the difference. G20 is heavier, but comes with that extra mini brush for furniture. Trade-offs. Both have LED lights, same filtration system, but G20 gets a bigger dustbin and that bonus motorized tool. Lite wins on quieter operation and easier handling. Price difference matters. G20 costs more but handles mixed floors and pets better. Lite saves cash and perfect for mostly hard floors and quick cleanups. My verdict if you got carpets and pets? Go with G20. Mostly hardwood and want lighter handling? Pick G20 Lite. Both are solid, just different strengths. Which fits your home better? Comment below, links in description, and subscribe for more honest comparisons.